Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your guy, DanTanna, the bad boy of tech. And people, for all my damn musicians out there, yes, the keyboard players, the producers, the ones who are aspiring to be a producer or a keyboard player, musician, or whatever, you're gonna love this. I'm about to give you my official, unbiased, 100% honest review of the Novation LaunchKey 49. Let's go. Alright, everybody, there she is, the LaunchKey 49 by Novation. Full-size keys, 16 pads on deck, people. Man, faders to push, knobs to twist, it's all that. And when you turn the boy on, look what happens. Look at them colors. Sick, sick, sick. Great job, Novation. Now, this keyboard is supposed to go with Ableton Live 10, but it controls a whole lot of more DAWs than Ableton. And people, right out the box, you can control whatever DAW that you got. Yes, indeed, your DAW. Man, faders, drums, everything. You don't even have to touch a keyboard or mouse anymore with this damn keyboard. It's lit. And people, as far as reaction time and everything, I know how to play the keyboard. There's no lag, no latency, no anything. Very, very smooth, very, very smooth. The keys have that nice weight and everything. It's not too light to where you know it's phony and everything. It's right in the middle between real weighted keys and light keys and everything. And on the back of the keyboard, the only things that you got to worry about to plug in is like if you got a foot pedal that you use, a sustain pedal, you can plug it in back there, or a power cord. And of course, the USB port, that's it back there. Everything else is up front and up blunt. Yes. And I'm gonna say this again, look at those controls. You never have to touch your mouse again. You can start and stop a beat and hit the record button and everything right from your damn keyboard. You can even switch the damn scenes in your damn sequencer. That is so damn convenient and so dope. Man, oh man, oh man. But that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up, because that's official and I appreciate that. Yes sir. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of DanTanna, then do that too, because that's official too. Alright everybody, give money, give respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy. Look at the colors though. Yeah.